Alright guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some Dollar General deals that y'all can do any day this week with those P&G coupons. Plus, make sure that y'all stick around until the end because we have some extra savings to talk about. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I have already uploaded a couple of other Dollar General videos for you all this week, so if you missed out on them, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. And also, here's just a quick note, I did upload the Good Deals and Glitch List video last week, and a lot of those deals are still going on this week. We have tons of coupon matchups in both of those videos, so make sure that you go and check those out as well if you haven't already. Alright, now for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright, so now let's go ahead and talk about these P&G coupons, shall we? Now, the last time that we had these, we had a huge run glitch to go right along with them. And trust me, I have tested that out. That glitch is not working again for us this time. However, we still have some pretty good deals with these coupons. Now, there are different values. So, there is a 3 for 10, a 5 for 15, a 5 for 20, and an 8 for 30. So before we get into some scenarios, I want to go ahead and talk about what the coupon actually says and what that means when we decide to use this coupon, all right? So for example, on one of my accounts, I received save $5 on your next purchase when you spend $20 on P&G products at Dollar General. So basically, this means that I have to go to Dollar General, get $20 worth of P&G products, and I do have to actually spend the $20 out of pocket in order to get that $5 digital back on my account. Now, I have already tested out a few of these deals, and I will say that it might take a few minutes for the 3, the 5, or the $8 coupon to show back up on your account. So I just want to say this again. Make sure that you guys spend $20 out of pocket after coupons have been applied and before your taxes, because taxes do not count, all right? So if you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below, and then I'm also going to leave the link for the help center on the Dollar General website. Because I'm going to go ahead and tell you all, I have had to call the Dollar General customer service number a couple of times over the past few months, and I'm just going to go ahead and save you all the headache. Do not even call that number. It is a complete waste of time. You will get much farther in half the time if you just go through the website and send them in an email with a picture of your receipt. All right. So that link will be in the pinned comment down below as well as in the description box. Alright, so now let's get into some of these scenarios, shall we? So first up, here is a deal if you have the $3 back when you spend 10 P&G coupon. So for this scenario, you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents priced at $5.50, 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills priced at $4.50 each, 2 of the Febreze sprays priced at $3.25 each, 1 of the Always Discreet liners at $3.25, and 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.25. And here's your list of coupons. So you're going to need the 1-off-1 Gain laundry detergent digital coupon, the $3.99 off 2 Dawn Power Wash, $3.30 off 2 Febreze products, the 3-off-1 Always product, and the 2-off-1 Crest toothpaste. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $11.95 for 7 items. But then you're going to get back that $3 P&G coupon on your account, so that's going to make your final price $8.96 for 7 items, making each one just $1.28 each. Alright, now next up, here is one for all my people out there who have the $5 back when you spend $15. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents priced at $5.50, one of the Downy products priced at $6.95, 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills at $4.50 each, 2 of the Febreze sprays at $3.25 each, 1 Always Discreet liners at $3.25, and 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $32.20. Alright, and here's your list of coupons. So you're going to need that 1 off 1 Gain Laundry product, the 2 off 1 Downy product, $3.99 off 2 Dawn Power Wash, $3.30 off 2 Febreze products, the 3 off 1 Always product, and the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $16.91 for 8 items. But then you're going to get back that $5 coupon on your account. So that's going to make your final price $11.91 for 8 items, making each one just $1.48 each. Alright, up next, here is a scenario for all of my people out there who have the coupon of $5 back when you spend $20. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry detergents priced at $5.50, 2 of the Swiffer liquid refills priced at $6.75 each, 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills priced at $4.50 each, 2 of the Febreze sprays priced at $3.25 each, 1 of the Always Discreet liners at $3.25, 1 of the Vicks 18 count cough drops priced at $2, and 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1. That is going to put your subtotal at $40.75. But don't freak out, because here is your list of coupons. So you're going to need your 1 off 1 Gain Laundry product, the 5 off 2 Swiffer products, the $3.99 off 2 Dawn Power Wash, the $3.30 off 2 Febreze, the 3 off 1 Always product, the 1 off 1 Vicks VapoCool product, and the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste. After coupons, you're going to pay $21.46 plus tax out of pocket. But then this deal gets even better, because right now on the P&G Good Everyday Rewards.com website, we have a rebate for a $5 Visa gift card when you spend $20. And we have already spent $20 out of pocket. So we are going to submit our receipt to the PNGGoodEveryday.com website and get a $5 Visa gift card back from them. Plus, we are also going to get that $5 P&G digital coupon back on our accounts. So that is going to make our final price $11.46 for 10 items, making each one just $1.14 each. Alright, and last but not least, this one's for all of my people out there who have a spend $30, get back an $8 coupon. And for this one, I decided to go ahead and do a double dip. So we are going to be taking advantage of our 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon with this scenario. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50, one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents at $5.50, one Gain laundry product priced at $4.50, 2 of the Swiffer Gain scented liquid refills priced at $6.75 each, 2 of the Gain Power Blast for $4.75 each, 3 of the Gain scented Febreze sprays priced at $3.25 each, and 1 of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25, and those are on sale this week for $3.25. So that's going to put your subtotal at $53.50. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, the 2 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 5 off 2 Swiffer products, the $3.99 off 2 Gain Power Blast, the $3.30 off 2 Febreze, the 1 off 1 Febreze, and the 50 cents off 1 Mr. Clean product. After coupons, that is going to leave you paying $31.71 out of pocket. But the deal does get better, because you're going to submit your receipt to the P&G Good Everyday Rewards website and get back that $5 Visa for spending $20, plus we are going to get back that $8 coupon on our account. So that is going to make our final price $18.71 for 11 items, making each one just $1.70 each. So there you have it for all of the scenarios that I have put together so far. But I also wanted to take a quick second and just go over this P&G rebate with you all really quickly. All right. So we actually have 2 rebates on the website right now. It is get back a 15 Visa gift card when you spend $50, or get back a $5 Visa gift card when you spend $20. So just a couple of quick notes about this P&G rebate. Number 1, if you would like a list of all the P&G brands that are included in this rebate, I'm going to have the P&G website linked for you in the pinned comment down below. They're also listed on your screen here, but depending on what kind of device you are watching this video on, it might be a little bit difficult to read. So I will have that linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, the second thing to note is that this offer is valid starting on April the 2nd through June the 30th. So if you plan on doing a couple of these spin deals, or we may have some deals over at Walgreens or Family Dollar, wherever the case may be, we may have other deals other places. So if you guys want to save up your receipts, you can do that, and multiple transactions will count toward this rebate. You just have to save them. Don't forget about them. Get up to that $50 spend amount, and then you'll get back a $15 Visa gift card. And then the third thing that you need to remember is that you do have to spend $50 out of pocket after all of your coupons and discounts have been applied. But again, this is a rebate that we can work toward over time with multiple transactions. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video because we are so close to getting to 40,000 crazy couponers. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.